Welcome to the Loreal Future Talent Education Programme. In this intermediate series, we will cover being able to cut hair using basic techniques. Within this video, you will understand how to create long graduation with a fringe, also using point cutting and thinning scissors. Discuss the desired outcome with a consultation. Talk to the client about their desired look. Determine the length they would like and the overall look they desire. Assess the client's hair texture, density and condition. Consider any previous treatments or damage. Understand the client's lifestyle. Consider the client's face shape to determine the most flattering length and style. Prepare your client with the appropriate personal protective equipment for the service. Sterilize your equipment before use. The first thing to do is to make sure you have all the correct equipment ready on your trolley. To avoid injury and maintain comfort for both you and your client, ensure correct body positioning and be aware of your body posture. Why we do it. Long graduation adds shape, volume and dimension to the hair, resulting in a soft, blended appearance that enhances the natural fall and texture of the hair. Use sectioning clips to divide the hair into 4 sections. Create a parting from the middle of the forehead to the nape, and another parting from ear to ear over the crown. Clip each section securely to keep them separated. Create the baseline by starting at the nape. Release a subsection and comb the hair straight down to ensure it is smooth and tangle-free. Cut the perimeter to the desired length. Now, starting at the crown, take a small section as your guide. Hold the hair between your fingers, elevating it to 45 degrees from the scalp and cut straight across to the desired length. This is your guideline. Ensure sections are clean and easily controlled between your fingers. Continue until you meet the occipital bone. Continue cutting by taking your neck section into the previous section, maintaining the same elevation from the scalp and working cleanly so you always see the guide from your section. Be careful not to over-direct, and continue until you meet the last section behind the ear. Work around both sides of the back of the head. Continue cutting the hair at 45 degrees. following the guideline created by the previous cut section. Ensure even tension and a consistent length. Release one of the front sections and comb backwards to find the guideline. Using the back guideline as a reference, cut the front sections at 45 degrees to match the length and over-direct towards it. Repeat this process on the other side, ensuring both sides are even and symmetrical. Create a triangle section at the front, with the apex at the crown and the base at the hairline, covering the desired width of the fringe. Clip the rest of the hair out of the way to focus on the fringe. Comb the fringe section straight down to ensure it is smooth and tangle-free. Hold the hair between your fingers at the desired length and cut straight across at 0 degrees. Do not apply too much tension when cutting a fringe to avoid it shrinking in length once dry. Ensure the fringe is even and make adjustments as needed. Dry and style the hair as the client prefers. This will help to reveal any inconsistencies in the cut that need further adjustment. Take horizontal sections and elevate the hair to 90 degrees from the scalp. Use point cutting or texturizing techniques to add graduation and remove bulk. Use thinning scissors or a razor to blend the layers seamlessly and create a smooth transition between lengths. Cross-check the hair for balance and precision. Following these steps will help you learn how to cut a long graduation with a fringe. Continue your education journey by completing the Cutting Hair Using Basic Techniques unit. To discover more resources, go to the Future Talent page on Loreal Access. This dedicated page will support you in your educational hairdressing journey.